Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Coca-Cola is made step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
It is this precise formula, carefully blending purified water, sugar, and our iconic syrup.
The pressure is fluctuating in sector gamma.
Ratios are holding steady, but temperature is rising.
Compensating now. Stabilization achieved.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Keep an eye on the palletizer. It looks like the alignment is off on this batch.
Understood. I'll monitor the flow.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
Next one goes to truck 3. Keep it moving.
And that's how Coca-Cola is made. Ikai down, from start to finish.
In this highly automated complex, our robotic systems achieve unparalleled precision, guided by our expert engineers.